Do you know about Schrodinger's cat? The poor bastard is alive and dead at the same time. He was conceived 8 years ago by Erwin Schrodinger, and since then has been terribly abused. This hellish thought experiment was conceived by the German mastermind, one of the founding fathers of quantum theory. It was to show that objects can exist in the superposition of different states. That was one of the most striking features of the new science of quanta. Schrodinger takes his cat and puts the animal into a black box. In the box, there's a container with poisonous gas. There's also a radioactive particle. If the particle decays, the gas is released. The problem is that according to an orthodox interpretation of quantum mechanics, the particle is and isn't decayed at the same time. And so is the cat, alive and dead at the same time. We decided to get rid of the molested animal, kill to death this most overused metaphor of modern physics. No more bloody kittens. Check it out. This time you messed up real bad, Vincent. Real bad. They want you dead, and there isn't nothing I can do about it. But I like you. I always did. So listen carefully. Here is the deal. It's the best I can offer. This looks like an ordinary piece, but it isn't one. It's a quantum gun. There are only 2 chambers in the cylinder, and there's only 1 bullet loaded. Nobody in the universe knows where the bullet is. When you pull the trigger, you are going to end up in the superposition of being dead and the gun empty, and being alive and the gun loaded. These 2 alternatives happen in the same time. The universe is a strange place to live, I tell ya. As long as I don't look at you, you're gonna be alive and dead at the same time. Don't ask me how it feels. I've never done this before. But I will give you enough time to enjoy it. But then I'll look at you, and the big collapse happens. You've got exactly 50% chance of survival, man. Vince, they'll get you anyway. And they'll be really cruel, man. Your choice. Now let's go and give them hell. Quantum mechanics reveals the world that is brutal, inherently random, and unhumanly paradoxical. It also suggests, well, in fact it says, that reality doesn't really exist. The cat is created by the act of observation. Vince doesn't exist until Polly decides to look at him. What do you think? Is it funny? Scary?